Having attention, please, let's welcome Dr. Sion D. Chung, the President of IKBCC, Indo-Korea Business Cultural Center, all the way from Korea, and she is the academic advisor for Maryland State University, United States. I'd like to call upon Dr. Mariam Eliza Day, the academic advisor at IU Germany, to grace this occasion with her revered presence. Would like to call upon Madam Huda Ali, the Senate member of Yemen, MSU, United States. We'll have the presence of Dr. Pareen Somani, Director for London Organization of Skill Development, all the way from United Kingdom. She will be joining us in next 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you for your patience and sitting here joining us today. Thank you. Oh, please come. I'm very privileged to announce one of the guardian today, who is a very great profile, a profound leader, Dr. Professor Nisikant Ojaji, CISO Advisor Cyber Security, Aerospace Security, Counter-Terrorism, eminent faculty of Defense and Paramilitary Forces. He is a profound lawyer, a specialized area in international legal education. I would like to welcome you here, sir, for your remote presence. I would like to call upon Dr. Pareen Somani ma'am. She has just joined here on the stage. We would like to have you here on the stage, madam. Director of London Organization of Skill Development, United Kingdom. I cannot hear the claps. Thank you very much. We would like to mark the remote presence of Dr. Manju Gupta ji, the Director of Strategic Management, Mangalmaya Group of Institution. We would like to mark the remote presence of Miss Anita Chauhan ma'am, the National President for Indian Society of Training and Development, which is a semi-government organization. We would like to welcome all of you here today, as well as Professor Josna Pandit ma'am. She is gracing the occasion today. She was a dean somewhere in a university in Noida. She is working as a professor. SP Institute. She is in SP Institute. Actually, I was not knowing much about Dr. B.K. Rajput, sir. He recommended her, and I know her personally, but I was not knowing the designation and organization she's working. Thank you very much, ma'am, for gracing the occasion today. Can I please have your attention? We do have a fabulous personality here, the director of Nirmukta International, and she is going to host the event today. It is an honor and privilege for us that she is going to be hosting the day today. She is the director of Nirmukta International. Her name is Hemangi Arora Mishra. Thank you very much, ma'am, for gracing this occasion and hosting this wonderful show.
Thank you so much, Dr. Pandey. Um, a very warm welcome to all of you. But when I say warm welcome, I look forward to the energy in the hearts of the people sitting here. So, can I have a round of applause? Thank you so very much. And a warm welcome to the special ceremony of India Intellectual Conclave 2024. Today is the day filled with gratitude, celebration, and admiration as we gather to honor individuals who have poured their hearts and soul into their research nearly almost a decade. So, these remarkable individuals, our esteemed dignitaries, have not just dedicated their time and expertise to their fields, they have also shared their passion, curiosity, and unwavering commitment to the world. Their work has not only advanced knowledge and innovation, but has also touched the lives of many, inspiring us all to dream big and reach for the stars. So, with that, I would like to thank you all who are present here for contributing to the world, working towards making the world a better place. Today, as we gather together to recognize and celebrate their achievements, let us remember the countless number of hours of hard work, the moment of triumph and setbacks, and unwavering dedication that have brought them to this moment. Let us applaud not just their accomplishments, but also their resilience, creativity, and the human spirit that drives them to push boundaries and make a difference. Can I have a round of applause for all of you who are sitting here? It should be louder than anything else, any downpour that we have recently heard. With immense pleasure in the hearts, we would like to celebrate the gracious presence of Sri Pradeep Khatri ji. Sir has arrived. Namaskar, sir. Sir is DSP Haryana and has been proclaimed the President Police Gallantry Award for his immense contribution, wonderful contribution to the domain. Sir is here. Thank you so much, sir, for gracing the event. We stand on the brink of a remarkable journey, one that we lived, we will embark upon together.